Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my golden Hokkien noodles with mushroom. Really easy, really quick. Right, I've got around about 100 grams worth of dried mushrooms. They're Asian style mushroom. I've soaked those for around about an hour in some boiling water. Now I'm going to strain that mushroom out and get all of that beautiful liquor underneath, and I'm going to make up a bit of a sauce. Now these Asian style mixed mushrooms, they're like a oyster mushroom, they're shiitake, yeah, they're all those beautiful things, and you can actually find them at a lot of supermarkets. Now in that stock I've added in a little bit of cornstarch just to make up a little bit of a gravy for a little bit later on. Now a bit of hot water in the wok, put the mushrooms in, give those a bit of a stir and cook those off. Here I've got some button mushrooms, around about 200 grams worth that I've just had left over from another recipe. I'll put those in as well. All we need to do now is just cook those down until I look something like that. Alright, I've got a little bit of freshly minced garlic and a little bit of Zhaoxing wine, so around about 2 cloves of garlic and about a tablespoon's worth of Zhaoxing wine, or Chinese white wine, that goes in. Right, we've cooked all of those off and the mushrooms will soak up all of that rice wine and garlic flavour. I'm going to put those aside and get ready to complete the rest of this recipe. It is very quick, it is very easy to do. Right, so a little bit more oil into our pan, just a little bit of vegetable oil this time around. That goes down, and we're going to get that nice and hot, and here we're going to put in our golden Hokkien noodles, and they're the ones that you just buy out of the sort of refrigerator section of the supermarket. Alright, so we just put those straight in, let them sit, let them get a bit of colour in there, let them really toast up nicely, and if you haven't tried doing this before, it is so easy. Now you might find it might stick a little bit to your wok sometimes. These egg noodles will. They're not as forgiving as a rice noodle or a thicker noodle, but don't worry, a little bit of water in there a bit later on, that'll get rid of all of that. Right, add your mushrooms in straight over the top, just like that. Make sure we get every single mushroom out of our little pot there, and we're going to simply start stir frying these noodles around. Now those noodles are already cooked, our mushrooms are already cooked. All we really need to do is mix everything together, and I'm going to add my little special sauce right at the end. Okay, so as you can see, everything's getting to know each other. I'm going to add in around about 2 tablespoons worth of oyster sauce. It's going to give us that beautiful umami flavor. That's the beautiful thing with oyster sauce. All right, add that in, give that a bit of a stir, just like that. Really nice and simple, and as you can see, everything's starting to come together. Right, now in goes our little bit of mushroom stock with our cornstarch. That goes in, let that mix together with all of our noodle and mushroom. Add some freshly sliced spring onion as well. It's going to give us a beautiful greenness and a beautiful flavour to this dish. Right, so just keep stirring that through, just like I'm doing right there, and before you know it, we're ready for the home stretch. All we have to do now is get our noodles and serve those into a bowl, just like that. And what's better than a nice noodle dish like that? Yeah, a little bit more spring onion over the top for a bit of garnish and a bit more flavour. I'll obviously try and make this one at home. It is a real quick one. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button, it gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up, and please share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. Don't forget to leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn how to make a really quick stir fry just like this one, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you will never miss another one of my videos again. I'll have to eat my golden Hokkien noodles with mushroom, and I will catch you next time. Bye.